Most people think Typeless is just for transcribing your voice, but if you're still using it only to dictate text, you're missing 90% of what it can actually do. If you don't know what Typeless is, it's an AI voice tool that lets you talk instead of type. Instantly transform your spoken words into polished, professional text. Punctuation, flow, even bullet points, all handled automatically. And this new update? It'll completely change the way you work anywhere, from your email to social media. Let me show you how this feature has made Typeless multiple times productive than it was before. Number 1, polishing rough emails. Let's be honest, sometimes the drafts we get from colleagues are a little rough. I can turn it into a polished email instantly. Just highlight the draft and say, rewrite this as a polite customer email. You see how instantly Typeless transformed this single-line email into a professional message with greeting, clear structure, and closing, saving you 10 to 15 minutes per email. That's over 3 hours reclaimed every week for someone sending 20-plus emails a day. Number 2, simplifying technical docs. Suppose you're a developer reading a README full of jargon. It slows you down and kills focus. Just highlight a code section and simply say, "Explain like I'm new." Typeless rewrites it into clear, easy steps. This cuts learning time by half. What used to take 30 minutes of Googling is solved in under 3 minutes. Number 3, you can turn your raw idea into a completely polished social media content. Highlight the idea, hold the FN key, and say, "Turn this into a LinkedIn post." See the magic. You see how Typeless turns simple text into LinkedIn post.
Make it better. Make it LinkedIn friendly and readable. Format it like a viral post on LinkedIn.
Reducing 30% of writing and editing. Number 4, compile research papers. You can read and understand long financial or research report in minutes. To do this, highlight the text you want to understand, press the FN key and say, "Summarize this in 5 bullets." It cuts report analysis time by 60%. Instead of 2 hours scanning PDFs, you get insights in 30 minutes.
Summarize this entire financial report.
These are just the tip of the iceberg. Typeless offers countless ways to save time and boost productivity. Here are a few more use cases for working professionals and for bloggers and copywriters, for social media influencers, and these are for developers. And finally, these are for researchers, and these are for AI creators. AI tools like ChatGPT are good, but Typeless works everywhere you already, whether it's email, your PDFs, and even all social apps. And here's the best part. It never stores your data. Zero retention. Everything stays completely private on your device. We've been typing for 150 years. Your voice is now your keyboard. Typeless is what finally sets us free. Download it, and you'll see why typing feels ancient.